1. Welcoming guests. Welcoming guests in a friendly and polite way is essential. Good evening. Welcome to my restaurant. How many are in your party? Hello. Do you have a reservation? 2. Presenting menus and specials. Here are your menus. Today's specials are these dishes. Can I start you off with something to drink? Do you have any questions about the menu? 3. Taking orders. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes? What would you like to start with? Would you like any sides with that? How would you like your steak cooked? 4. Serving food and drinks. Can I get you anything else? Is everything to your satisfaction? 5. Handling payments and tips. Will that be all today? The tip is added to your bill. It was a pleasure serving you. We hope to see you again soon. If you want more videos, visit our channel, like and subscribe. Thanks.